Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our 27th video for Django e-commerce website, and in this video we will implement the My Account section. In this we will implement login, registration and logout functionality. Okay, so till now what we have done, we have implemented the add to cart functionality with the delete, update and all the things. We have implemented the filter sections and all these top menu are working. So when we go to the single product and add to cart, it will implement the it will show the cart data here in the cart page. Now we will, after that we need to work on the checkout. So before working on the checkout, we will implement the my account section, so that when we go to the checkout, then we will implement the condition that if user logged in, that we will redirect to the payment section. If not, then we will implement the sign up and all the thing. So first we need to create the my account section. Okay, so in this video I will implement this functionality. So let's do this. So the first thing what we will do, I will create the drop down here to show the login, registration and logout link. Okay, so I will go to get bootstrap, and here, okay, so I am using in this project I am using bootstrap 4. So I will go to docs and I will go to 4.6, and here I will go to the nav bar. So this is nav bar. Okay, and I'll copy the drop down functionality. So we will open our base.html file. So here, and from here we will copy the drop down link. So here we have a drop down, so I will copy this list. Okay, so we have in this, we have a my account. So I will paste it here and I'll change it with my account. Okay, and I will remove this, and here I will add login, register. You can add many more links in the drop down, and here I will implement the logout. Okay, so this logout will be show after user login, and this login register will be show when we are not logged in the system, when user not logged in the system. So here I will put the condition. So here I will put, if Django provides us to check the user logged in or not with the this function, if user is authenticated, then, and if, okay, so we will show the logout link. Okay, and else, in the else we will show the other link. Okay, so here it is. Now let's go to the nav bar. Here it is saying that else, if user, and if we have made a mistake here. Okay, now we have a login and register link. So we are not logged in currently, so that it is not showing the logout link. Okay, and here I have applied the text white, so that currently it is showing dull link. So I will implement the text white class. Oh, I need to copy this uh, here in the nav link. Okay, so we have created this, and now the next thing is we need to implement the login and register. So Django default comes with the user model, and in that user model we can implement the login logout functionality and forget password and all the things. But in this video we mainly focus in the login, logout and register. So giving Django not comes with the default register functionality. We need to create that. Okay, so first we will create login logout, then we will create the registration functionality. Okay, so here I have settled this link. now okay, I will define this after setting the login and logout functionality. Okay, so now what we will do, we will open the project level settings URL here. Okay, and in this we will define accounts slash, and here what we will do, Django dot contrib dot auth. So we are getting the auth URLs from the Django contribution, and we will read and it will default accounts prefix. Okay, so let's see what it will do. And next thing is, we need to define the login and logout redirection URL. So here in at the end, so login redirect URL. So after login, I will redirect to home, and after logout, I will redirect to login. Okay, we have done now. Now we need to create the login template. Okay, so let's see what it will give if I go to accounts login. So it is showing that template does not exist. Okay, so what we will do, we will create the template. So we need to remember that if you're creating if you are using the default user functionality that comes with Django, then we need to create the template, we need to create the folder here in registration, and in this we will create login.html. Okay, so let's refresh this. So it is saying something. I think I have defined the wrong name. In the name we don't need any e. Okay, so we will open the login.html file now and refresh this. So it is showing the blank page. It means our login.html file is working. Now I'll copy the another template, any one template, uh, brands template, and I will copy here. Okay, and I will put it name login, and I'll remove this data. Okay, and here what I will do, I will create the table because I want to show the form in a table format. Okay, so now we will here form dot. So if you are using the default user model, then Django do the things automatically. So we have a form, object. Now in this we have use as table. So refresh this. So it is showing the username and password, and here we will create the submit button. Login, and we will define the class button primary. Here it is. Okay, so when you will try to log in with something, then it is not working because we didn't define the form. So let's define the form tag. Here it is, and in the form tag we need to define method equal to post, and we need to define CSRF token. Yeah, so now, so when we click on this, it is showing that please enter correct username and password. So I want to show this in a red text. So what I will do, so this provides some class. So we have a class error list. Okay, so I will copy this class, and I'll copy my style.css file that is in a static folder, custom.css, and here, and I will color red. Okay, so this will show in a refresh this. Okay, so it is showing the text in a red color. So we have created the form. Now let's try to log in. So I can log in as an admin, so admin and password and login. So it will redirect to the home page because we have defined the redirection in the settings.py file. Okay, now here you can see the logout URL because we have defined in the base template that if user is authenticated, then we need to we will go to the, it will redirect to the logout URL, and here we will define the URL logout. Okay, and now what we will do here, we will define the login here, login. So let's implement the logout functionality also. When we click on this logout functionality, it will redirect on the login. So our login and logout is working properly. Now we will create the sign up functionality. So I will name it sign up auto register. Okay, so for sign up, what we will do, we need to create the, we need to add the fields and all the things we need to do manually. Okay, so what we will do, so Django provides us the user creation form. So here what we will do, we will create a, okay, we are going to create a sign up. So I will close all these things, and here in the login.html same folder I will create a signup.html. So we will use this later. Login, copy and paste. Here we will name it sign up just. Okay, and in the main.urls file we don't need to do anything. In the custom we don't need to do anything. In the settings.py we don't need to do anything. We will close the html file, and here we will create the, we will open our views.py file here. Okay, and at the bottom, not here, here, sign up. So this is sign up, and we will pass the request, and here we will return render request template name. So template name is registration signup.html. Okay, and here we will pass the form, that is a user creation form, and we didn't currently imported this, so we will import this. So from Django dot contrib dot auth dot forms import user creation form. Okay, we will not getting this user creation form directly. Okay, let's okay, we will hold here, and we will, let's go to create. Okay, we have created this, just we are not rendering currently, and we are currently in views.py file. Let's create the forms.py file because I want to create some extra fields. So in the user creation form, Django gives us only three fields: username, password, and confirm password. But I want to add extra things because in the when we place the order, we need a mobile number, we need a phone, we need address, we need a full name. So that we will create the, we will extend the existing user creation form, and we will add some more fields. Okay, so here we from Django dot contrib dot auth. Okay, so from Django import forms, and here from Django dot contrib dot auth dot forms import user creation form. Okay, and here class sign up form, and we will extend the user creation form, and in this we will add full name, and full name will be our forms dot char field, and the maximum length is, let's say maximum length is 50, and this is require field, so true. Okay, similarly we will create a mobile number, we will create a address. So this will be mobile number, this will be address. So mobile number should be numeric. So what we will do here, we will define a widget equal to forms dot text input. Okay, so this is forms and this is text input, and in the text input I will define the attribute, and in the attribute I will define the type, and this will be a number. Okay, and this is fine. Okay. Now in the class meta I will define model equal to user, that which model I am going to use. So that is a user, we need to import this here. So from this dot model import user auth dot models. So this user. Okay, and fields are, so this form fields are username. Okay, we will not start with username, full name, then mobile number, then address, then username, then password 1, first password, and then not first password, this is password 2, this is actually a password, and then confirm password. Okay, so full name, mobile name, address, and all the things. So now we will import this form in our view. So here from dot forms import signup form. Okay, and let's show the form in the template. So we will pass this form as a context, so form, and here. Okay, and now we will open our app level urls.py file, and here we will define the path, and that is accounts sign up, and here it is sign up, and the name will be also sign up. Okay, so we have created this, and now we will, okay, here we will show the sign up link, we need to show the sign up link. So I will again open the login.html file, and after the table I will show the sign up link. So if you are not registered, please sign up here, okay, and this sign up here is our link, URL, and of course I'm uploading this all project step-by-step tutorial and all the things on GitHub, so you can download whole project from there. Okay, so sign up. Okay, fine. So when we click on this, it is showing the sign up form with the all we have created the fields. So this username, password, and confirm password comes default with the Django, and we have created these 3 fields. Okay, and this is the numeric fields because we want to add the mobile number. Okay, so we have created the template, we are showing we have created the custom fields and showing in the template. And one more thing, because this alignment is not correct, so I will remove the row, because row contains 15 pixel padding. Refresh this. Oh, okay, so actually we have removed from the login, template. Okay, that's fine, we also need that in that template. Okay, so here we have said this is the alignment I was talking about. Okay. Now we need to work on the saving this data, and after saving this data we will log in this user and redirect it to the wherever you want to redirect after the sign up. So I will redirect to the cart page. Okay, so in the views.py file here we will implement if request dot method equal to post. Then what we will do, we will form equal to sign up form request dot post. Okay, and if is if form dot is valid, then what we will do, we will, okay, we need to, yeah, form dot save. Okay, here we are saving the form data. Now after the form, after saving the form, what we will do here, we will get the username from request dot, okay, form dot cleaned data dot get dot username, and similarly we will get the password. Okay, what is, okay, nothing, password. So this is a password 1. Okay, now we need to authenticate it. So user equal to, we need to get the authentication thing in from the auth contribution. So from Django dot contrib dot auth import authenticate. Okay, and we also need the, okay, let's see what it is, authenticate. So authenticate, and we will pass username equal to username. Okay, and here we will pass the password equal to password pwd. Okay, and after that we will log in request and user. After that we will redirect. Okay, we don't need to redirect because after the, it will do the things automatically. So import login, we need to import login also. So we have defined the login redirection already in the settings.py file. So let's go to submit this data. So full name is equal to Suraj Kumar, mobile number is something, address is something, username is something, and password is let's say 123, and something is password, not the same. Okay, we need to change this button name, so let's create this. So why it is saying something, WSGI request object has no attribute post. So what we are doing here wrong, request dot post. Okay, so I will refer my test creation. So main dot views dot py file, and here I have created the, yeah, so actually I have typed a small letter post, so that it is showing the error. Okay, let's change the button name also. So in the sign up we will change the button name register. Okay, so now let's go to the sign up again, and here we will Suraj Kumar, mobile number is something, and address is test address, and username is Suraj, and password is something that it can allow us register. Username must be something. Why it is saying that? If request.method equal to form, and all things, username equal to this, password equal to password, and I will refer again my thing, I will match that, and this is username authenticate, password login authenticate. What we are doing wrong here: form authentication, user login request, and username password get save something. Okay, similar form dot. So here we are doing something, a form dot clean data dot get username. Okay, let's refresh the page again. Refresh the page again. Let's go to the admin, that we want to show that user is created or not. Admin, don't save, and go to the user. No, user is not created. So form dot save. Okay, so form dot is valid. So why is form not valid? Address, text field, text type number, and we are doing all the things. Yeah, we are doing all the things, and in the forms.py file dot models, all the dot models. Okay, let's test this again now. We need to log out this, and we will go to here and here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and address test address, and username is admin. No, username is something test, register. Okay, so it is not working. Okay, so we need to, so sign up views dot sign up views dot sign up. Okay, I will copy the test, I will copy the test thing from here. Authenticate, and all the things are same. Forms.py file, I will open this forms.py file here. So required, this is true, full name, mobile. I'll copy this from here. Actually this is no change. User and the thing. Okay, let's stop the server and try this again. It should not, it should redirect on the, it should redirect on the, so where it is redirecting, we are redirecting on the, just a second, we are redirecting on the portals dot settings dot py file, and we are redirecting on the, after the login we are redirecting on the home page. So here what we will do, we will restart this, and let's change. Okay, and test address, username is test, and test rate 123, test at the rate 123, And let's go to the signup.html, and we have defined the form, we have defined all the things, we have defined the URL, and in this we have defined all the things here. Sign up view, we have defined the action, we have defined form equal to sign up form, form equal to sign up form. So everything is correct. So why it is not a redirecting? In the test it was working fine. Register username. Okay, so what we need to do, okay, I am going to stop this video, and I will back on this again. Okay, so thank you very much. So I will back this again on this something. Hey guys, I have solved this sign up error. So actually this was not anything special error. Actually we need to put the redirect home just, and I thought it was not working, but it is working. Actually we need to put the redirect home, and it will redirect on the another page. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I have uploaded all the code on the GitHub, so please download from the link. I have given the link in the description, and please like, share, comment on this video, and please suggest me the any another series that I will create on the I'm planning to create the another series in Django React or Django Vue or Django REST framework. So please add your suggestion in the comment section. So thank you so much.